Duit YouTube, conas tá mé anhá agus níl mé cred mo odd. Got it right that time. Basically, I can't believe my luck. I had to go for the written entrance exam portion of the course that I wanted to do in Maynooth, and got up this morning at 6:30, went down, made breakfast, got ready to go out, etc. Went to get my bike, and the flipping tyre was punctured again. Well, it was flat. I don't know whether it's punctured or not. So I'm curious as to why that's happened, because there seemed to be nothing on the inside of the tyre that could puncture it, and it was a brand new tube. I checked it before I put it in, so it's a mystery, one that I might try and solve tomorrow. Right now I don't really care. Either way, I managed to get it. I got a taxi to the Dart station, got my Dart out, which was a few minutes late, which made me a few minutes late for my connecting train. Hence I was about a half an hour late getting to the campus, to the exam hall, etc. In the intervening time, I managed to make contact with the lady who was looking after me, and I told her I'd be late, and she said, look, get here as quick as you can, but you may only have 45 minutes or so to do your written exam. I was like, okay, look, I'm on my way out already. I might as well make the most of the time that I can get, because otherwise she was going to reschedule me, and I wanted to get it over and done with. So anyway, went in, and I was scribbling and practicing what I was going to say on the train, and then I went in, and I've never written so fast in all my life. Mad. Couldn't feel my hand afterwards. But all better now. So I think I got a lot of the main points covered. The question was, what are the issues facing community and young people in Ireland? So it's kind of where do you start? But no, I think I did okay. Yeah, so as I said in my other vlog, I'm going to try and record a couple of more vlogs on different subjects that have been happening over the last couple of weeks, and I will upload them intermittently between now and whenever I decide to do my next big vlog. So I'm just going to go do a little bit more parkour with my friends and just relax, basically. I finally found out where they were meeting. I thought there's 2 white bridges in Dublin, that being one of them. There you go. That's the James Joyce Bridge, and that's obviously the one that my friends meant, but there's another white bridge about 2 kilometres up the Liffey, and it's got 2 big white arches, and you might see it in a video called Meeting Mr. Dublin, which is a really good parkour video that a Lithuanian friend of a friend did the last time he was over. Highly recommend checking it out. I will put a link to it below. Speaking of links, I'm trying to finish a blog that I started a good while ago. I'll probably try and do that tomorrow and put it up. If you want to check that out, my WordPress link is down below as well, so you can go and read that. Something I might try and do from now on is try and blog a couple of times a week as well, because it's a nice way of keeping account of everything when I can't vlog. So that's the crack. Crack Gamor, bhí mé Gamor, agus bhí mé an Tírsúil beag. Ceart go leor. Gur míle maith agat YouTube, agus slán go fóill.